Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel login not working on Vercel in 2026. So if you're stuck on login errors, wrong password issues, or pages not loading, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, double-check your email and password. Make sure there are no typos, caps lock is off, and you're using the correct account. Next, click on Forgot Password and reset your password if you're unsure. Then try logging in again with the new password. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data can block the login process. Next, open an incognito or private window and try logging in again. This helps avoid extension or cache conflicts. Now disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, since they can sometimes block login scripts. Next, check if Vercel is down or having issues. If their servers are down, you'll need to wait until they fix it. Now try logging in from another device or switch to a different internet connection to rule out network issues. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel login issues. Now you should be able to access your account without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.